So let's bring it back a ½ inch on the yoke. Go ahead and do that. Okay, hold it right there. And push forward just a little bit. Right there. Perfect.
Hey chemistry students, I have a question for you. Here I have this balloon that's 1,000 milliliters, and right now we're on the ground with the 15 degrees Celsius and the atmosphere is about 1.1. So what's going to happen if we take this balloon up to 18,000 feet, where the atmospheric pressure is 0.6 and the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius? Right now, this balloon fits perfectly in this box. So what's going to happen?
You can see the sea smoke coming up from Lake Superior because the air is colder. Well, Angelina Jolie flies one of these. Hilary Swank learned to fly on one of them. We've flown Tom Cruise and Harrison Ford. Dierks Bentley, Faith Hill, Tim McGraw all fly these.
Okay, so we are at, what is it,
10,000
feet? And the balloon officially won't fit into the box anymore. So it is inflated. Can't travel without snacks, but what's going to happen if I bring these up to altitude of 18,000 feet? We sprung a leak. Well, if you look at I can show the seams of it.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Okay, you guys gonna put on your oxygen? We're continuing up to 17.5. When we get up there, we'll orbit a little bit, and then we'll start back down, and we'd like to do an orbit around UMD on the way back into 27. Just give a little twist, and you should start seeing it fizz. So you can see just the lower pressure causes the carbonation to want to come out. Outside air temperature is minus 35 Celsius. It's probably going to be about minus 40 when we level off. What's the interesting thing about minus 40 Celsius?
Minus 40 Celsius, is that?
What is that on the Fahrenheit scale?
Minus 40.
It is. That's the one place where they cross. Yes, sir. I'd just like to go up to 17.9 and see if we can reach minus 40 Celsius. There, perfect.
Minus 40, minus 40. Alright, we're taking this bottle off, and we're at, what is it, 17,500 feet?
Correct.
And now I'm going to put this back on and see what happens to the bottle on the descent.
So now the airplane's going to bank left.
Oh God.
Whee! And just lean with the airplane. There you go. So we have 1G directly down.
Scanner 118, you have
So Erica, what would you guess our speed over the ground is right now?
260?
Very close, yeah. We're 216 knots at about 256 miles an hour. But have you ever sailed a boat? It's really, the skill level is equivalent to sailing a boat. You're taking into the factor of the wind, the heel of the boat, and you want to have just enough energy to either come up to the mooring line or the dock without hitting the dock or being short. And that just comes from practice.
We're at 11,000 feet right now, and look at our bottle. It is flattened out. Serious aircrafts are equipped with an emergency parachute that is launched by a rocket from this lever. So the rocket itself has a fuel of 100 grams of ammonium perchlorate and 10 grams of aluminum. So how many grams of nitrogen gas will be produced from this at 0.6 atmospheres and negative 40 degrees Celsius?
So off is two harbors. You can kind of see the golf course, Lakeshore National, on the north side of the airport, or docks on the south side of the city. The airport is right down here. Virtually every county in the United States has at least one airport. We're flying over Lester Park cross-country ski tails. We clearly see them on our side. So UMD is going to pass under the left wing.
Go Bulldogs!
Information Charlie now current. Altimeter 29903.
Now I think you should have wore the champ costume in the
Yeah, I
airplane.
should have had
yeah.
that headset on.
Next flight.
Can't do this at any other school.
Yeah. Hey, this is Captain speaking. I'd like all passengers to return to their seats, tray tables up, seat backs in the full upright position. I want to thank you for flying Cirrus Airlines today. You didn't get any frequent flyer miles.
3 Charlie Papa, step to the land, only 3,000 feet, 20 years.
0 Charlie Papa, cleared to land. And we'll roll to altitude. We're going to come down to about 3 feet above the runway. We'll bring back on the yoke about a ½ inch. We're just going to put the right wing down slightly to keep us from drifting. Okay, half inch back. We'll hold that, hold that. Very good, we'll just let it roll. We've got the other aircraft up ahead of us. So there's your answer on how to squish down bottles before recycling them. Is fly them up to 18,000, unscrew the cap, and put it back on.
I think this is the most efficient way to recycle.
Certainly the most fun.